Welcome back to the farm. We're moving chicks today. These are our last meat birds chicks of the year. I think they're about 3 weeks old Tuesday, and we're going to put them down here in the big chicken tractor. And I've got this oriented. How you say it? Oriented. I've got it facing the way I want to, because the way I made this is put a back on it, and a lot of people don't do that, but I put a piece of metal in the back and a pretty good little roof on it. And our storms, they come this way, so that'll kind of protect them a little bit till they get old enough where it don't matter. Like I said, they'll be 3 weeks old next week, and but you know, not that we're gonna get any rain, but just in case, you know, we do, they should be protected. And I've got the food set up here for them. I've got the water, I cleaned it out, got it all filled up, and I got them down here, and I got them at a good working height for me. And like I said, I think they're probably 3 weeks old. They're wanting to get out. They want that food. Oh. Yeah, you can see how they're pretty good size for 3 weeks. And I'll really start throwing the food to them now. And I'm gonna count them too when I throw them in there. So they ain't quite. They're getting over it. They went through that. Or they're starting to go through the ugly stage, and it'll be okay. So anyway, I'm gonna get set up. We're gonna put them in here, and I'll show you. We'll count them, and I'll show you how when we get them all done. So hopefully it'll be without incident. And the one I just got my finger. And so I thought this might be easier, but it might have been easier if I just done used the crate. Oh well, you live and learn. I don't know, don't be afraid to try something new. All right, let me get the camera set up and we'll start throwing these in there. Or not throwing them, but you know, putting them. Okay, so I counted 22, and she double checked me, so we're good to go. I don't remember losing 3, but I don't know. I got so many irons in the fire, I don't know what's coming or what's going. So anyway, 22 is what we got, and today's the 14th of September. We'll check them in 3 weeks. Like I said, I'll start throwing the feed to them in the morning, and I'll feed them twice a day. I don't give them free choice at all. That way, because I move them, it makes them a little easier. I got a video on that, training these things. So anyway, there you go. Meat birds in the meat tractor, chicken tractor. And about, let's see, 3 weeks we'll check them. We'll probably, I think we went 8 weeks on some of the ones we did last year, and then we went another week, I mean not last year, last batch. And then we went another week on some of them. We like the bigger ones, I think. We got a lot more, we got some had breast meat over, 2 of them together, skinless, boneless, was over almost 1.5 pounds. So we like that. So anyway, there you go. And we'll keep you updated on them. And they should be all right, hopefully, in case we get it, unless we get like a real cold. Even if it got cold, I think they'll be okay. All right, that's it. Appreciate you watching. Short Monday video. Give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here on the farm next video.